What a nose reel is used for? Which equipment choose for specific application? Hi everybody and welcome to our video on news. I'm Alberto Madella, Customer Care Manager here in Piusi. Today I would like to introduce our range of hose reels specific for the lubrication sector. This means equipment for oil and lubricant, as well for grease and whisking and air and water. Today we present oil and grease hose reel. As you can see, they look perfectly the same. The difference among these equipment is related to the fluid they can dispense: oil, grease, windscreen, antifreeze and so on. Functionality, structure and maintenance are the same. Hose reels are used for many applications, mainly to deliver fluid to a long distance. For example, in garage and workshop, they allow to deliver oil, lubricants or grease from a central tank to vehicles up to 10-20 meter distance. Installed on lubrication truck allow to bring the service directly on site and where needed. Starting from the oil hose reel here, we can say that Piusi has designed a very wide range of standard and heavy-duty hose reel, both open and closed. Entirely made in Italy, they are the perfect solution for managing the dispense of any kind of lubricant. Hose length is strategical. But one of the most critical elements of this equipment is the spring. All our systems are equipped with retractable reinforced spring system, long-lasting and less human work and time, as you don't need to wrap the hose once you have finished to use it. They are completely automatic, which means that the system automatically wraps the hose once finished and can be installed on a wall, roof or ground, thanks to the adjustable arm, without any problem about functionality and safety or inside a cabinet. Developed to ensure high efficiency, they specifically operate with a pressure up to 60 bar. All our hose reels include sturdy steel structure, adjustable arm brackets for easy positioning, and protection on request, optional fixed or rotating support plate, heavy-duty spring. 4-roll hose guide on the arm facilitate the unrolling of the hose, avoiding friction that would cause a gradual deterioration. Ratchet that prevents lookup when hose is completely extended can be supplied with or without hose. Half-inch, 3/8 inch, 3/4 version available. 10-20 meters hose length, hose stop, spring drive and retractable hose, 60 bar operating pressure. The grease version comes with the same structural feature of the oil version, while being expressively developed according to the most demanding requirement. They are suitable for all grease heavy-duty applications, available both as open or closed version. The automatic hose reels are developed to work up to 400 bar pressure. They can be used in all the industries such as workshop, service station, garage, to name few. They are built with high standard quality and attention to material provide high performances. The range of the hose reel grease include sturdy steel structure, adjustable arm bracket for easy positioning on the roof, wall or ground, and protection on request, optional fixed or rotating support plate, heavy-duty spring. 4-roll hose guide on the arm facilitate the unrolling of the hose, avoiding friction that would cause a gradual deterioration. Ratchet prevent lookup when hose is completely extended, can be supplied with or without hose, 3/8 or 1/4 version available, 15 meter hose length, 400 bar maximum operating pressure. What are you waiting for? Get in touch with our local dealer or with Piusi to get your hose reel. And remember, choose Piusi to ensure you high quality material for top performances, safety, and reliable equipment and long lasting. Thank you for the attention and hope to see you soon. Ciao!